Alright, this is the maze. Kyrie is doing the maze. If he gets any, he's good. Oh wait, my bad. My fault.
Ooh.
If he gets this, then he's good. Don't mess up. If you mess up, you suck. Alright, go ahead and do it.
If I mess up, you don't get no girls.
If you mess up, I get no girls. You crazy? You don't want to know girls. Let go. You got scared?
Kinda.
You got.
Wait, what, that was you beat this already?
Yeah.
Oh. Man, you're okay.
Yeah, steal something to the camera.
Man.